morning, everybody. Off to New Plymouth today. Lesley wants a new car, so I'm going to get up there, have a look at some cars. Crack a day. It is only 11 degrees, unfortunately, but it is a nice day. Few bikes out today, which is good to see. Had some pretty rubbishy weather here the last week. Been off work for a week, hoping to get some miles in, but just rain and crazy wind every day. So today's the day, because we're back at work on Monday. Today's Saturday. So a little bit of a mission because the car dealer closes at 12. I don't know if we're going to quite make it. 11:57 arrived, a bit cheeky, but if they want to make money, I suppose they'll stay, won't they? Testing the DJI Mic Mini today, which I've noticed comes out really quiet, but we'll see what happens in the editing later on. See what we can do with the voice, whether it's worth keeping, hanging on to or not. The cruise control back on, and we'll sit back for a while, and we'll see you up the road a bit. Sure we can see the mountain in the distance there, sticking above the clouds. We'll be going up the right hand side of that. Before we get to it, we turn right, then hold it and head up the right hand side through Stratford, Inglewood. Going through Harbour, around the outskirts of Harbour at the moment. Soon to turn right to head up past the mountain up to New Plymouth, which is where the car yards are. So we could go straight ahead and go right around the mountain, around the coast road, which is a nice ride, but it takes 40-50k longer, perhaps.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now.